Hello everyone and welcome back to our Thermador kitchen. Today we're going to be talking about our 30-inch masterpiece speed oven. I'm going to teach you how to go through CookSmart. We're going to go to our panel here in our speed oven and we're going to make sure that we turn our speed oven on first. Let's insert our root vegetables. Now, what's important about this is make sure your oven is not preheated for this. It doesn't have to be because of CookSmart. CookSmart knows exactly how much time and what cooking mode you want to use on there. Follow the directions that the display will tell you when it comes to how much weight and it's going to choose a time for you. So on your display, you're going to have the ability to scroll down it. You have CookSmart, you have microwave programs. We also have heating modes and combination modes and our settings. But let's go ahead and use CookSmart. You want to go into the CookSmart program and you want to find the food that you want. You have the ability to choose poultry, meat, fish, vegetables, and here we have roasted root vegetables and that's what we want. And let's choose 2 pounds because that's a weight that I'm using here today. We're going to hit continue and make sure that you hit start. So after your CookSmart program has finished with your root vegetables, you're going to go ahead and remove them. They should be nice and brown on the top. And the program knows exactly how much time you need for exactly how much weight you put in there. If you notice that, that's nice and golden on the top and delicious. CookSmart not only is great for something like root vegetables that we have over there that we rested using the CookSmart mode, but also a protein. So in a sense, you have a full meal. Next, what we're doing is we're gonna be doing some Cornish hens. What I did is I sprayed the bottom of this ceramic tray with a little bit of nonstick spray, and I did put a couple of rosemary leaves down on the bottom just for a little more flavor enhancement and also for getting the smells, the aromas going in this kitchen. We're gonna go to CookSmart to continue. We're going to go to poultry. You have a choice of chicken breast, chicken thighs, whole chicken, and again, all you have to do is choose the weight, or whole Cornish hens. We also have duck breasts in here. Let's select whole Cornish hen. These are about 2 pounds each. Takes about 31 minutes. Let's hit start once we drop these right inside here. But I do want to set a timer for 15 minutes. So I can go in there and flip the Cornish hens over with the breast side up to finish the cooking process and the browning. Check that out. Those are beautiful. We're going to remove our Cornish hens from our ceramic tray. We're all done plating. We're ready to go. Now it's time for my family, my friends to sit down, take off our shoes, relax, enjoy, have a good time, and eat really good food. Bon appetit. See you next time.